In this lesson, we're going to copy the piece of the front part over to the other side and combine it into one piece. All right, so for a lot of these pieces, the door and this panel here, these kind of pieces, they're going to just, we're going to just be able to copy them to the other side. But they're still going to be separate. For the front and the back, we're going to actually combine those into one piece. So this whole front will be one object. So we need to create this side of it by extruding this all the way over to the origin here so that we can mirror it. So what we want to do is just grab these edges. You just want the ones that are right on the inside here. And you want to make sure you grab all of them. Without grabbing any of them that you don't want. Make sure you got that one. So we're grabbing all the edges that are on the interior, on the inside of this this front piece here. Looks like we're missing one right in there, maybe. Nope, we got them. Okay, so now what we want to do is let's go into our top view, and let's check out. We want to extrude this all the way over to the center. Okay, so all we want to do is hit extrude, and we want to go straight over. Okay, and I'm just going to pull it all the way over and just leave it kind of right here. I'm going to go in and grab these vertices. I'm going to hold down the X key while I'm in translate mode. It's going to snap it to the grid, but I'm just going to move it in the X axis, so it's going to just snap in one axis straight to this origin right here. Okay, so I'm going to pull it out in this direction. And we'll lose a little volume when we sub-D this, so it'll match up a little bit better. And I'm just going to add an edge right in here. Pull it out just to create a nice curve. Let's take a look at how that's looking. Okay, so we're starting to get a little bit of the front piece there. Alright, so delete my history. So now we have all these points snapped right to the origin, and we have our center placed at the origin. So that's going to enable us to mirror this right across and get one nice piece. So if we do that, we want to go up to Mesh, Mirror Geometry. I'm going to go in the option box, and then let's look at our axes here. We want to mirror this across the X-axis. So right now it's in the positive X. We want to just flip it over to the negative X and combine those together. So we want to go minus X. So we want our new piece to be in the minus X direction. We want to merge it with the original. So combine these two together. We want to merge those vertices together. And because our vertices are all on the origin, it should snap nicely together. You can see that that has indeed snapped together. Now you want to make sure, especially if you have some vertices that are close together, you want to go in and check those after you do a mirror, because if this merge threshold is set too high, for instance, if this is set to 0.1, you can see things are getting merged that shouldn't be merged. So you need to make sure that this is set to a suitably low number here, so that nothing is merged together that you don't want. And now you can see that we have an identical section over on the other side for this piece. And if we go ahead and sub-D that, you can see that that is now one piece. Now we may need to tweak this a little bit, and we'll need to draw up the space for the grill, but we have the main shape blocked out. So let's go into the next lesson and do that. If we go into our front view, go ahead and draw out this section for the grill and extrude that in and extract that and create the nice little grill piece there.